Good afternoon, I'm Sean Taylor and I wanted to bring you to 2081 Yellow Pine Drive in Middleton. It's a stunning single level home in the Pines. It's pretty awesome that this is on a 0.32 acre lot. Meticulously maintained, original owners, and you'll notice very beautiful landscaping here. Curbing, the edging is awesome. On a corner lot, no neighbors over there. Very neutral colors, a lot of concrete here. Nice big driveway with no swell or anything here. 3-car. One thing to notice here is the concrete goes all the way out to the edge. Same thing over here, concrete goes out to the edge. A lot of the new construction, they're only going to the inside of the door. Saves them a little bit of money, and this is a lot better, so if you park here and your passenger wants to step out, they're not stepping out into the snow or the grass or whatever. I love this. It's, you know, if you can find a lot big enough with a single level to have a 3-car, that's hard to find. To find it with a huge RV space like this is like, you know, finding a unicorn these days. Nice quiet area. Great pride of ownership all around. Like I said, just huge lots in here. The owners wanted a light and bright garage, so they added the windows here, which is nice. Concrete's in great shape. And I wanted to point out, we've got plenty of room in here for this SUV. A little bit extra space over here for racks, but this is the great spot. It goes back extra deep here, so when I showed up today, there was a full-size truck in here, and it fit just fine. You've got both openers. It is a painted garage, so it's light and bright. You've got the third bay over here for your toys, and it's got what we call in Idaho a man door over here. Gets you to the outside. We've got this shed's gonna be leaving, but the back shed, which is 13 by 16, I believe, is staying, or 12 by 16. Very low maintenance. This is on low cost irrigation water here. I can get you the exact number, but it's dirt cheap to water as much as you need. Nice wide walkway up to the front of the home. Full rain gutters have been added to the home. Little pretty area up front here. Covered patio with soffit vents. Can you hold that, please? Mm-hmm. And we'll head inside. And you walk in and you have a really grand long entry. And you've got the very low maintenance laminate flooring in here. And off to our immediate left, you have an office / formal dining, kind of whatever you want to make it. Has the white ceiling, 2.5-inch faux blinds, white trim. As you can see, the carpet's in immaculate condition. Only 2 people have lived here, and they've just babied this thing. Has the Sun Valley wall texture, which is an upgrade and the most popular. Off to our right, we have 2 bedrooms. Nice size. I think they were like 13 by 11 and 12 by 13 or something along those lines. Got an extra storage space here. You have an upgraded toilet, the elongated and nice and tall. Shower tub combo. Next bedroom. As you can see, there's plenty of room for 2 beds in here. Ceiling fans were added. Harbor breeze in all the bedrooms. There's my lovely daughter.
Hi.
And we'll come in through here. I like that this goes over here to the mudroom and to the kitchen. We'll get to that in a little bit. And this is my favorite part of the house. You have this huge family room, room for any size furniture, vaulted ceiling, ceiling fan, light and bright. I love it when the flooring is contoured in a way that separates the family room from the dining and kitchen, and also it's better for foot traffic. so that your guests and everyone are walking on a regular basis on the hard surface. Love the center fireplace. Obviously there's room on both sides for a huge big screen TV, and if you don't want it above the fireplace, but you have a gas fireplace there. Again, the vaulted ceilings, recessed can lighting, and this house just stays light and bright. Here is the nice open kitchen with the Venetian gold granite and the corbels underneath that. You have the very neutral colored cabinets with the kind of espresso color. Has the crown molding on it. It also has the coveted soft close drawers. Has the stylish tile backsplash. It has GE gas appliance, gas range, and the GE microwave, and yours truly in the reflection. Hello. Lots of cabinets, lots of counter space, lots of electrical outlets, as you can see there. Got the nice deep kitchen sink here, stainless steel, huge faucet, and the convenient dishwasher here. Refrigerator is not included, but you've got this area over here, kind of perfect for your coffee station or what have you. Before we go to the master, I'll just show you this mudroom here. I love this. So you have this designated mudroom area with a coat closet over here. Hang your coat up there, head out to the garage, and a nice big utility room with a cabinet. Okay, all right, let's head over to the master. One more thing about this dining area. So this table seats 6, but look how much more space you have. I mean, you could have 2 tables. You got one that for, I'm thinking, you know, family gatherings, and another table there. There's just a huge eating space. And you've still got room for a big china hutch. You could do an additional cabinet over there. You could do another pantry over here. There's just lots of options. This is also really cool. You've got this little nook area here before you head into the master bedroom. You can do whatever you want there, a little desk area. Then you've got the walk-in kitchen pantry. Again, very neutral flooring in here. Lots of cabinet space, or cupboard space, I mean. It's fantastic. And we're into the spacious master bedroom. They say the ideal size for a master bedroom is 15 by 15. This one's even larger than that. What were the dimensions on this one? She's checking
17 by 14.
17 by 14. So this is a king size bed, and there is still plenty of room for all your furniture in here. And they've got lots of furniture in here. So there's lots of good wall space in here, and yet you're not feeling cramped at all. Lots of windows. Ceiling fan in here. Again, very well painted. I mean, look at those lines with the white lid, so it keeps it nice and bright. Transitions are nice as well as we head into the vinyl flooring. You've got the raised vanities, nice huge mirror with the his and her sinks. You've got the huge garden soaker tub, which is extra wide, and the separate shower unit here. I don't know if that was a good angle or not, probably making you dizzy. Open toilet area here with the elongated tall toilet, and notice the archways throughout the house as well. Custom paint, and a huge walk-in closet here. Just fantastic. Really great space. All right, so we've got 3 bedrooms. Then we have the mudroom, utility room, and we have the room that you can do with it whatever you like, which is conveniently right off of the kitchen. It could be the office, like they've got it set up, your formal living room, den, dining, whatever you want it to be. And now I'll take you outside, show you the back area. And we'll take you out to my second most favorite part of the house, which is the exterior with the covered patio that runs the full length of the back of the house with the pergola out here. These have shades that come down as well. This is west facing right here, so it's perfect for gardening. But as you can see, and this part over here is fully covered, professionally done. I believe the distance from this concrete at the end of the house over to here is almost 40 feet. So it's just the whole length of the house. And if you know anything about the price of concrete, that's spendy. Extremely low maintenance. Again, full rain gutters. You see the extensions getting the water away from the house, which is what you want. They did the upgraded cedar fencing here with the actual steel posts and higher quality cedar. So it should last. As you notice the curbing. As you can tell, we're at the hottest time of year. It's been in the 90s, high 90s lately. And you just have beautiful grass. And again, just a great place to barbecue, hang out, watch the sunset. We'll head over here to the south side of the home. And look at that amount of space. You've got room to park 2, 3 RVs and a boat. I mean, this shed's gonna be out of here in a couple days, and so you would have from over there all the way out to here for your toys. It's just a tremendous amount of space, completely done. That is a lot of rock. And it's round rock, so it doesn't hurt your feet. You've got the Stor-mor, which is a local company. They build a great shed. What were the dimensions, honey? 13 by 16?
The shed?
Yeah. Nice big shed.
12 by 16.
12 by 16. A little bit extra storage up here. They have a shop light in there. Workbench. Fantastic. With the window. And this is just phenomenal amount of TLC put into this. I'll just take you on a little stroll through the garden here. It's got a walking path through here with the just beautiful flowers, shrubs. It's actually got all the walking path put into it here. Some lavender. The stones put in. The split rail fence. I'm not sure if the bird feeder stays or not. Beautiful flowers in here. Oh, there's a bee. How cute is that? A pine tree, some more shrubs. I think that's I don't know what kind of plant that is. I'm not much of a plant guy, but I'm impressed. And again, just the stone patterns through here is just gorgeous. Well, I think that concludes our tour. I'm Sean Taylor, Silver Creek Realty Group. Thank you for watching this. If you have more questions, if you're not working with an agent, feel free to give me a call, 208-340-0000. If you have an agent, please ask them any questions you have or arrange for a showing. Thank you again. Have a great day.